Hi student, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Now see, every day you are learning or you learn different subjects, Marathi, Hindi, English, science. Today I am going to teach you little bit one practical subject which is very important for your health, that is our PT. Okay, PT period or PT subject is very interesting for student, because in that period only student get nice time to move out of the class and they are learning so many things. In this only period student get interact with games, some exercise, yoga. Okay, so this session today, in this video or in this session we will learn some exercise, but I will, at the beginning I will tell you this video or this exercise at the beginning Mangesh sir had taught me, because I also I was not aware of this exercise. So with the in the guidelines of Mangesh sir, means he taught me first at the beginning 8 exercise and then I am presenting in front of you. So now when you will perform this exercise, then honestly you have to perform and you have to observe all steps properly, and you have to do this exercise at your home in the observation of your parents. Okay, in proper guidance you want to perform at the morning or at the evening. You have to perform this all exercise. Some rules I will tell you that you have to follow. First, if you are having a heavy dinner, heavy breakfast or heavy lunch, then don't do any exercise. Okay, means whenever you are performing exercise, you should not have any heavy things, food or all. Okay, means at the morning only it is very benefits, you will get proper benefits at the morning. Means whenever you wake up at the morning, so you can have little bit, half cup water, and after some rest you can perform this exercise. But afternoon time don't perform exercise, or at night also don't perform, at the morning. Okay, your stomach should be empty. In that only time you will get proper benefits. And after performing your exercise, you have to relax for half hour and then you can go for your different works. Okay, so these all things keep in mind. We will learn today some exercise. Okay, at the beginning I will teach you some basics warm up or basic exercise, okay, which are very important to ready to perform next exercise, means which are little bit we can say difficult, but some simple exercise we have to do. So first exercise of your neck. Sometimes your neck also face problem, paining and all. Okay, so what do you want to do? You have to just stand properly and move your neck very slowly from, see, this is my left hand, left to right. Okay, start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, you can perform up to 20 or 30 counts. Okay, now change your direction from right hand to left hand. 1 2 3 4 5. Continue. Okay, if I will perform, then video will be lengthy, that's why I am showing just you demonstrating, means shortly telling. But 10 counts or 20 counts you can perform. This is your neck exercise. See, if you have problem of your neck, so if you do continuously every day, then you will not face problem. Okay, so this is also very important exercise for your neck. Next exercise is your shoulders. See, sometimes your shoulders also pain. Okay, so what do you want to do? You have to see, these are my 10 fingers, so like that keep your hands on your shoulders and see how you want to perform from front to back and back to front, like that, two position. So first what we will do, you want to take first at the front, see, and then back. Okay, so start with me. 1 2, continue, 3 4 5. So you have to continue for 20 or 10 counts. Now next step same, but now front to back. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so like that you have to perform both also 10 or 20 counts. Okay, it is not compulsory to 5 or 4 only, your choice, but this all exercise don't try at once. Every day you can perform single exercise. You might have seen I am performing this exercise now. It is sunny time, means afternoon time, because a video can be clear, that's why. Otherwise you will say I am telling do at morning or at evening and I am only performing at afternoon time. So it is just my part of demonstrating, okay, to make video proper. At the morning also problem of light, at night also problem of night or evening. That's why I am making this video in natural light. Okay, means you can perform it very clearly. Okay, so that thing keep in mind. Next exercise of your hands. Take your both hands straight in this position. You have to observe my position, see, fingers position also, see. Okay, all fingers should be closed, tightly closed, and then take straight. Okay, now see, again I will demonstrate in count. If I say 1, so you have to move from inside to outside. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you are not able to do, then you can do single also. See, you can hold your hand like that at the beginning. 1 2 3. Okay, same to your this hand also. 1 2. Some student or some person who are observing my video, they will do very fast. So when I will request you, exercise should be done in very gently, means this exercise will give you benefits, so you don't do hurriedly, very slowly and properly do. Okay, see, so 1 2. If it is not minded that anyhow you can do, but perform this exercise, this only. Suppose sometime what happen, like that your finger see, hands will move, okay, inside to outside, but perform this exercise at least for 1 minute or 2 minutes at the morning, then you will get proper benefits. Okay, see, next exercise simple with hand only, like that your hands. Okay, means your fingers will make, it will be stretchable, so fingers sometimes your fingers also pain. Okay, so these are some basic exercise. So many basic exercise are there, but I am telling you some means these are very simple. If you like, then you can do another also. Okay, and suppose you want to perform this exercise, see, keep like that. You can keep your hands on your shoulder. Okay, so in this way you can take position like a Vitthal. Okay, and then you can just move front, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so these are some basics exercise you have to perform at your home. Now I will take a little bit one different exercise which we call as a PT exercise. See, now I am going to perform some professional exercise which already are being taught in our school or other schools also. Okay, but while performing this video I will be little bit longer than mobile, so maybe you will not heard my voice, but you have to observe my all actions. Okay, which steps are taken by me at the beginning. You have to observe properly, and then maybe you will listen my voice is a little bit slow, but you have to perform this all exercise. Okay, now I am going on that upper portion of the rock, and I will perform that exercise that you will see properly. Okay, so I will start first exercise number 1. So observe it and properly perform at your home. Okay, you have to stand in first standing position. Okay, attention, standing, attention. Exercise number 1, begin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, now we will perform exercise number 2. Same position, attention position. Okay, exercise number 2, begin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, position C. 1 and then 2. Now we will perform exercise number 3. In this exercise we have to take first right leg front and then left. So exercise number 3, begin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Exercise number 4, same. You have to take first right leg aside and afterward left leg aside. Okay, so see here, exercise number 4, begin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Exercise number 5, same exercise, just you have to change your hand position. See here, exercise number 5, begin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, we will perform now exercise number 6. Be ready. we have to first take your right leg aside, then left leg aside. Okay, so keep in mind. Exercise number 6, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will perform exercise number 7. Okay, exercise number 7, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, perform exercise number 8. Okay, so observe it properly. Exercise number 8, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, in this way we have performed, or we have learned. I have demonstrated you some 8 exercises. So many exercises are there, but this simple 8 exercise I have demonstrated you. Now see, at the home, don't try all exercise at once. Every day if you learn one exercise, then also okay. Afterward there will be PT exam, or for any practical purpose we have to perform at least any 2 exercise in the video form or in practical form, that we will think afterward. But this exercise you have to perform at your home very sincerely, because not for exam or not for marks, but it is for your benefits of your health. So do properly, carefully this all exercise, and fit your body to fight against any disease. Means increase your or boost your immunity. With the help of food and exercise you can boost your immunity. Then only you can be stable, or you will be strong in this situation. Okay.